when we try to nail on the wall, and if you are just trying to hammer it, but it's not going in, just slightly change the angle. I did follow your new strategy in the speaking section, and it worked because from the mock test I got it. If you come to the lab, you will get the exam-like environment, and the best thing is the guidance from your mentors.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys, live from our Sydney CBD branch. I've got Nabin Nick with me. Very first attempt with us, he has got 8 each. Nabin, congratulations, very well done. The very first day I remember I saw you in the lab, I knew that this guy is going to make it, right? You had that energy, enthusiasm that yes, I need to do it at any cost. And before you came here, you have taken few attempts. You were just missing out in speaking. Right. And as you told me, you were trying the same thing again and again, and you were getting the same results. You were getting the same results. Why you thought doing something different is important? Because we normally see students, they don't get the score, they book the exam in next 5 days, try the same thing, and then they get the same result. Why you had this thing in your mind that I need to change something?
Right, yeah. First of all, I'd like to thank you and this Language Academy. So the main thing is, when I attend a couple of exams, I realized the score is similar, kind of similar, and I tried to change something, but again, maybe the change is the minor thing, and the result is similar. And at some point, I feel like, well, am I doing the insanity, repeating the same mistakes, and searching for the different, searching for the different results, or 79 plus is not going to work. And I like that example, like I told you. When we try to nail on the wall, and if you are just trying to hammer it, but it's not going in, just slightly change the angle. Well,
that's right.
In reality, honestly, that gives me the idea that no, I need to change my strategy. So I was here with you guys. Yeah.
So we need to understand that there's a system, there's a machine, there's an algorithm. If you're providing the same input, you're going to get the same output.
Right.
So that's very, very important. When you came to know about the new strategies, or when you came to know about the tricks, what was the reaction? What you thought of it?
Well, to be honest, I thought like initially it's not gonna work because it doesn't make sense. But the thing is, like you said, it's a software. Okay, it doesn't understand about our emotion, whatever time we are, presenting the exam, or what our necessity. And well, that wasn't choice for me. But I did follow your new strategy in the speaking section, and it worked because from the mock test I got it.
Yeah, that's right. You got 19 mock tests, right?
That's right.
Yeah. That's right. Guys, very, very important that you follow the right strategies and have the right direction, because normally a lot of time what we see is students, they miss by 2, 3, 4 points. They just keep on going for the exam without having the right direction.
Exactly.
As he told, if you're hammering a nail, you need to change a few things here and there, and then you're going to get your desired score. Nabin, what do you take out of your journey? What do you think is the most important factor in PT? Because few students out there, they're struggling in PT. They've tried each and everything. Any advice? What do you think is the crucial factor?
Right. I want to share this thing because I think it's worth sharing for all those PT aspirants who are looking to get the desired score. Well, I've been through the same mistakes, and I've been looking for the helping hands who can help me out, or try to get the score as soon as possible. But if you have the limited time, if you have the limited resource, still guys, find the professional guidance. That is the one thing, that is the sure thing that will give you the result. Well, you can try on your own, but if it is not working, don't repeat the same mistakes.
That's right.
It will make you weak, either emotionally or physically. Don't distress yourself, guys. I want to share the same thing. Understand all the scoring criteria. Focus on that. Take the professional guidance, and have a discipline on your reading habit preparation thing, and that will surely get the score.
That's right. Very good point over here. One thing which I liked is, yes, if you want to try it once by yourself.
Exactly.
But if you're not getting the score, don't repeat the same mistake.
Yeah.
Because if you are doing the same thing again and again, you cannot expect different results.
Exactly.
Right. If you're getting 75, you are inputting the same thing, you're going to get the similar result, and that's what was happening in your case.
Right.
According to you, you were doing everything correct.
Exactly.
You were doing everything correct, and this happens a lot of time. What we follow may work for other. Let's say if I have given you a template that you may get 90 using the same, but I may struggle to get 65 as well.
Exactly.
Right? So it's more about if you're following the strategy properly or not, and you follow what works for you, not what works for others. Nabin, any final advice for people out there? How important are the lab sessions? Because I remember you have taken a lot of speaking mock tests, right, in the speaking room.
Yeah.
How important are the lab sessions and feedback?
Well, lab sessions are really important, guys. It's very hard to go straight in the exam and just sit in there and like performing for 3 hours. It's really hard. If you sit in the lab, you'll get the environment. Well, because PT is not only the English exam that you're going at, just especially give your input. Minor things also matters. For example, your microphone position, how you are sitting, how you are concentrating, all those things matter. If you come to the lab, you will get the exam-like environment, and the best thing is the guidance from your mentors. They're going to give you the feedback, which areas you got to improve and what is your strength. So all those things matters.
That's right. That's right. Very important, because if you have that feel before you go for the exam, you'll be very, very calm and composed in the exam. Otherwise, when you go and sit for the exam, you have people talking around you, you just look what's going on.
Exactly.
Right? So it's very important you expose yourself to the real exam environment, and you're going to smash it like he has. Congratulations once again. Very, very happy. Well done. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. If you are struggling, you need to make sure you have the right direction. No point of repeating the same mistake again and again. You will just waste your time, and then after that you'll be a bit depressed as well, that yes, I'm doing everything correct, but I'm not really getting the score.
Correct.
And that is where you challenge yourself.
That's
that
right.
You think that, can I do it? Can I do it? What will happen if I don't do it right? So it's very important you are in the right hands and you get the right direction. That's it from videos, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing, have the right guidance, and smash your PT like he did. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.